Hey guys, I want to show you how to move around on the map. Pretty simple process, but you kind of need to know how to do it. So let me pick a word here, like Texas. I click on Texas with my mouse. Means you would tap on it with your mouse pad on your Chromebook. Then I have to move my cursor until it turns into a cross. I think on your Chromebook it's a black cross, but it's still a cross. See how it turns into a cross? I hold down on my mouse button and I drag it to where I need it to be. Okay, so this might be a two-handed approach on a mouse pad. You might have to have one holding the down on the mouse pad, and then with your other hand, move to where you need it. Okay, so that should get it to move for you, and you just put them where they need to be, turn them in. Those of you who are home, we talked about the fact you probably need to look on a map of some kind to get this working, so you probably don't know where these are by heart. But look on various maps, Google Earth, whatever you need to do to find out where these places are. We'll see you later.